I used to be isolated. I would spend most of my time on the screen rather than with my family and friends. This would usually affect my daily life. I found it hard to talk to others because of shyness or social anxiety.
I used to be antisocial due to my low self-esteem and confidence. I would worry more about what people think of me when I speak to them. It has led to the point where I would face most of my problems alone.
I used to be afraid of public speaking. I would always get cold feet and act accordingly. I would always avoid school presentations, discussions, debates, and so forth.
I used to feel discouraged. I felt like school wasn't a priority, so I took it for granted.
I used to be shy to talk, shy to volunteer, shy to share my opinion, and shy to lead.
I used to be easily pressured by my peers. I felt that if I did of what was asked of me, I would belong, as a sense of belonging in society and in life.
I used to peer pressure others because it made me feel popular. It gave me a sense of power and control over others.
But through the Tupulaga Ta'iala program, I now surround myself with amazing people who encourage me to do better things each day, not alone, but together.
Now, I can finally accept myself for who I am. I'm able to think positively and engage in social gatherings. I can finally just be me.
Now, I am confident. I can present and express myself in front of an audience.
Now, I am motivated to do better, not only in school, but with everything I do in life.
I have learned to say no to peer pressure.
Now, I am a good influence to others.
Now, I'm an outspoken person, a person who takes initiative, and a leader who steps in when no one else will.
We are Tupulaga Ta'iala peer leaders.
You don't need to fit in. Be yourself. It makes you unique. Be proud of who you are, because you were fearfully and wonderfully made.